there. Yes, it's like so right up there. If you could see that, it's like very close to me, but it's really not. I'm on the ground. It's up there in the sky. I don't know what that noise is all the time. It's always like or something like that. But something there, and it's a big bird. If you could see that right there is what the birds do. And if you see that up there, oh wait. Where is it now? If I go too close, it's gonna blow up. If I don't go too close, it's not gonna blow up. You see those two things right there? Those are the two things right there. Three birds, big birds. Very big. It's like 1, 2, 3 inches taller than me, or 4 or 5 or 6, but it cannot pick me up because I weigh more than it, and it's gonna go up randomly. And yeah, it's gonna be up there randomly. A very pretty view today. A very hot sunshine.